This is a podcast for the project Team Voices Online from paper number 2, and we are going to talk about the human nutrition and the relationship with academic performance. The title of our research is Nutrition and Academic Performance. The introduction of our research is that nutrition is a process by which gather and use nutrients from food to perform different functions. The substances obtained from food are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins, and minerals, which will have a specific function in the body. The nutrition is elementary for humans, from embryonic development to old age, so it's important to have a good physical and mental development. It's therefore a good academic performance.
Our justification was healthy living is achieved, among other things, by having a healthy diet. We must have a balance between what we want and what we need to eat. We try to inform the school community about the eating habits between each of the groups of each of the areas of the EMP2. The objectives of our research were the following. 1. Making a diagnosis of the type of feeding of 6th graders of the EMP2. 2. Relate of kind of feeding with the academic performance. Third, compare performance between the 4 areas and the type of food which is consumed.
Our hypothesis was, if the students have a poor feeding, then they will have a poorly academic performance due to the lack of nutrients. If the students appear to have more information about a good feeding, then they should obtain a better academic performance. Our methodology was a survey for 120 students of each area, about 17 and 18 years old. We asked the academic performance and the feeding. Then we made tables and graphics to compare the results.
We found that students from Area 1 and Area 2 have breakfast before school, and students from Area 4, only the 50% have breakfast. The students from Area 2 prefer eat healthy food than students from Area 3 and 4. The 46% of students with an average of 9.1 to 9.5 are located in Area 1, while 30% of students with an average of 9.5 to 10 are located in Area 2. Despite this, we also observed that 56% of students with regular average to 8 to 9 are in the Area 4. Finally, the largest number of students with average of 6 to 8, the 13% is in Area 3. The conclusions were, the students from Area 2 were those who had a better average according to academic excellence on the range of 9.5 to 10, because they have a healthier diet accordingly this prior knowledge obtained in the area in which they study. However, in the Area 3 showed lower academic achievement, although it was the area that was most in proper food habits over the other areas. The students of Area 1 and 2 who eat breakfast before going to school had higher scores than the other 2 areas where few students eat some food before school activity.